Hi all, today we are going to show you how easy it is to draw a jack-o'-lantern. Stay with us till the end for some tips. Start by opening Sketch Desk. Add a few drawing layers. Then, pick out the outline color of the pumpkin. Tap on the symmetrical tool option. Start sketching the pumpkin as shown in the video. With the symmetrical tool, you can draw the pumpkin easily. Draw the face elements as well for the jack-o'-lantern look. You're doing great. Keep on going. Fill the pumpkin with a color of your choice. Then to the stem, start drawing it using a different color. And fill it with a different hue. Likewise, draw the other elements, such as leaves, for the jack-o'-lantern look. You're doing great. Keep on going. Similarly, draw some leaves in the bottom of the pumpkin. Are you with us? There is more to come. Now fill out the background in the black. To give shading to the pumpkin, choose a color and lower the opacity and brush size until you're satisfied. Again with the symmetric tool, start giving shading to the pumpkin from the corner. Follow the steps shown to get the perfect shading for your pumpkin. Here is a tip. Try out different brushes while you shading for a better look. Again using brown, give a nice shade. Don't you see a realistic pumpkin coming into your screen? Choose another shade of color to give further shading. Don't forget to give shade to each and every corner of the pumpkin. Moving on, give shading and highlights to the other elements to complete the realistic pumpkin look. Using the roller brush, give some tiny bits of details as shown in the video till you're satisfied. You're doing great. Keep on going. Try out different brushes while you shading for a better look. Jack-o'-lantern is not complete without its scary look. For that, using the neon brush, choose the color blue and give some highlights to the pumpkin. For other parts of the pumpkin, use the neon brush with yellow color and fill it. Always add some shading for more texture. Using the roller brush, give some tiny bits of details as shown in the video till you're satisfied. And that's it. Using drawing desk tools, you can draw your jack-o'-lantern in a few minutes. Check out our other Halloween tutorials now and try them for free.